All I got to say, I know where the fuck I've been before today. I know what kind of shit I'm into today. You're over here looking like what? Off to one side shit. You got fucking half of you working and shit. Better cut the shit. And then, well, it's all about this. Going over here. So, get my hammer. That was the other bushing. What just fell out? Don't step on my glass. My fucking windows are. Don't drop anything. I gotta get them out from under there. My fucking windows are down underneath there. So we got some issues already with the fucking bushing on here. But that's alright, you know, work through it. Fucking trying to get rid of it here. Brrr, ain't nothing gonna happen. I ain't worried about it, I'm telling you right now.